Okay, class, welcome to our live classroom lesson on world ecosystems. All of you should have put in this code, so we are going to start up. So today our lesson is about world ecosystems, which is so exciting. We are going to play a video on what ecosystems is. Or at least we would if we were in a real class, but we're not going to right now. Okay, now, if you could choose any environment to live in, what kind of area would you choose? Let's wait for some good answers. Oh, look. Tess just answered and said, I would live in Hawaii. Ooh, I would love to live in that environment. Awesome. Okay, so there are lots of different ecosystems. Let's look at a few. There's a desert. Now we can explore the desert. It's a tundra. Ooh. Look at this cold tundra and all the workers. I wonder what they're doing. Okay. Grasslands. This is areas like Africa where there's lots of grass. Look at all that grass, so tall. Wetlands. I used to have a swamp by my house. These are areas where everything is wet. Now, in this lesson with the real students, we would continue to talk about different features of all of these areas, but since we are just demonstrating the features, we're not going to cover that very much. So here's our poll. Let's wait and see if anyone is going to submit an answer. Awesome. We have one student who said, yes, she has been in the forest. Excellent. Here's a forest. Wow, we are going on so many field trips. Okay, choose your favorite ecosystem that you've learned about so far. So, I'm hoping that a student is going to draw themselves living in an ecosystem. I wonder what ecosystem I would like to live in. I think I would not like to live in a wetland because there would be lots of mosquitoes. Okay, I see that we have one drawing. Let's look at this. Wow, looks like you are living in a forest. I love it. Good job, everyone. Everyone can see this lovely picture that Tess just drew. Okay, and now you're going to be taking this quiz on what we've learned. So go ahead, take the quiz, and let's see what score you get. Just waiting for everyone. Okay. Well, thank you. I know what we need to cover now. Excellent job, class.